Hello again. So we're now at the River Point access, the public access area. The dam is just right here. So this is supposed to be where some of the best fishing is. We don't know. It doesn't look like it's going to be too promising for us today, which is okay. But we're still going to go down and check it out. As you can see, this is who takes care of the area. But let's go check it out. Now this is a lot more accessible for those of you who have a hard time getting up and down. It is a little bit further down. I don't see, it looks like it keeps going. Oh yeah, there's a path that goes way down that way. No. So nice looking. So you can hear we're moving water back over that way. Oh, I thought there was fish there. There is. They're just kind of chilling right there. You see them?
Mm-hmm.
I give Arkansas this. It has some of the most beautiful waterways that I've come to enjoy in my life.
Fun fact, it is actually called the nature state, so.
And that's why we come here.
Look right there, to your left. So what we have found out too is that there's a lot of Verbos, Airbnbs that are like intertwined with these public access areas on the river. And if you ever want to come down here and give it a try, I highly suggest doing it. It is always a beautiful time here.
Oh my God, what was that?
That was a bee. But yeah, this, I mean, if you already live in a state like this, like, my hat's off to y'all, because we're from the western part of North Texas and we don't see this. We don't get this at all. We get mesquite trees and hills.
Dirt and clay. That's the majority of
prairie
our
grass,
atmosphere.
Tornadoes.
There's some beautyberry. Now this is what I like too, is Mom and I have been studying herbalism. We have been identifying plant species, mushroom species, and so this is kind of like a neat little paradise for us to come out and identify plants and nature.
They're nerding out is what she's saying.
Yeah. So I don't see an actual river access. This seems more like a walking trail.
I think it's further down this way. But as soon as we find something, we will let y'all know.
So all in all, this was just strictly a walking path. If you're looking to drop a boat, this is not a place you need to check out. If you want to fish, it is a little difficult to access the river, but if you're one of those brave people that wants to go off the path and try it for yourself, go for it. We did not care to do that, so we ventured off to find our next spot, but this was a great little walking path. And as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification so you can get more content.